Hey there guys, it's Adi Place, and today we're going to do another part of Pokemon Sun. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy like my new banner that I made by myself. So yeah, so we're gonna ride on this monster. It feels like we're riding Donkey from Shrek. And plus, the reason why my One Piece video got taken down because of copyright strike. Wait, let me set up my team real quickly. Who do I want in front? Yeah, I kind of want those two in front. Well, that battle took so long for me. Well, did it for you guys, but it took very long for me. So let me go and put on my mod still. Yeah, let's continue here. Cause I know where I have to go. Riding. I wish we can do like equestrian in this game, like with Mudstill. Oh, lucky him. He managed to get through the test. Max potion. Look, it's Gladion Strife. Because he reminds me of Clown a bit much. Gladian's such an epic character. Reminds me of Sasuke. So let's continue. So it looks like Howl's just making his way downtown, and then he just saw this. Yeah. On the Color Island part, how in the beginning of the video, Howl was saying that he got slapped by his mom, and that made me laugh when I actually watched the video again. It's actually kind of funny. It's basically what African Americans would do. So yeah. I don't even know where to go. Oh yeah, we're supposed to follow the red flag. Oh no. Looks like we have to battle these two children. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna send a Pokemon up to heaven. Literally. Maybe. Maybe. By one attack. If I have it. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna send him up to heaven by doing this. All the way up to heaven. And then he'll just come back down because God doesn't accept him. Where is Lily actually? It looks like Acer is the captain. Wow, very exciting. Let's go outside. Oh no, it's a Lily. She always has to get in trouble. It's basically Damsel in Distress, but a better version of Princess S. Yeah, I was Princess Estelle from Tales of Vesperia, but I mean Princess S. Elise from Sonic. The worst human character ever in Sonic. I like the team score music in this game. So good. Let's use Dragon Tail. Let's see what it will do. I know this is gonna hurt a lot. Hopefully, I think we can tank the next one. Yeah, maybe we were just a bit fast. I'm actually gonna make this video also like a training video for like the next trial, because the next trial is hard. I see many people on YouTube struggle on this trial, like literally. Oh my gosh, it was so hard. So that's why I'm gonna make this like a story and like a training video at the same time. So yeah. So let's actually do like a little bit of training, because I'm not gonna do the trial with you guys, so I might as well just do like a bit of training up for the next thing. I'm not going to the trial because there's some trainers on the next site we're going to. So let's face this guy. So that was it for that battle. Let's go on to the next. But first, let me heal up first because my Pokemon took a bit of a beating, especially Rhymo. Oopsie daisy, the wrong one. Let me just switch my Pokemon to yeah, that's what I want. You can sense about a beach area. It might be good for like an electric type to be up front. So yeah, oh my gosh, I did stuff for a bit. So I just missed out a couple of trainers. So yeah, so let's go back to them. So then I'll finish off. Then I will finish off the video. Ugh. Sometimes I always have trouble with my English. More item. Gotta get them more item more. This shit again. Actually, once I finish this game, I will do online battles. And plus, I actually might do something funny. Like, you see that to be continued thing, like from JoJo Bizarre Adventure. I might do that for Super Smash Bros. Like, I actually might do two of them. One for Super Smash Bros. And one for like everything that I like, such as One Piece, Naruto, Kingdom Hearts, what else? Pokemon, what else? Enzym 11, things like that. And I even might do ones of Dragon Ball Z and Hunter x Hunter. Especially that dodgeball scene, I kinda like that one. I'm gonna check if there's any more trainers. I'm gonna end off right here. So thank you guys for watching, and I've already played this video. Thank you.